It's $150. Yeah. So what's good?
Let's take a walk up one of the rows of the Blue Moon Cruisers Fun Run. This is always a good show, and this year has really grown very much. Yes, that's a Dan Gurney. I featured that car a number of times. What I like about this show, well, this is a particularly good turnout, but you will get some oddball. I did a nice little DeSoto, but here we go. We've got a Hornet, nice little Hudson. There's a 49. Beautiful. This is what I really enjoy. Look at that power brake setup. Isn't that remarkable? Jeez. Look at all of that. Wonder what that is. Is power? No, it's not power. That's vacuum powered. Wow. Gosh. I gotta find out what that is all about. Flathead 6. They were big for the flathead. They did have an 8, but the 6 was what was in the Hornets, and that's what really set the pace at NASCAR. We're very proud of having a Hudson. Hello.
Hi.
Is that your Hudson?
No, this gentleman here.
Ah. I'd like to ask a question.
He'll be right back. He had to get his wife. She just pulled.
Oh, I got your Hudson. I got to ask a question now.
Oh, yeah.
But what the devil is all of that down there? A vacuum controlled apparatus. It looks like it's for shifting.
No. Oh, that's like Power Glide or whatever. You can drive it with automatic.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, so that shifts automatically.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
You can do it either way. You can drive it with the clutch.
Right.
But you can do it then automatic, but you don't need to use the clutch.
But you still will shift first, second, third, but not using a clutch.
No, it'll do it on its own.
Really?
That, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool.
Yeah, no, this was my dad's car since new.
Now those control arms on that bottom unit goes back to the transmission now.
Well, yeah, the ones for the transmission.
Yeah.
Sure. No.
Okay, that is part of the transmission shifting apparatus.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
The brake booster.
Wow. Might be under the car or something like that, because I know the master cylinder's underneath, if I'm not mistaken. That's insane. This is wild. Absolutely wild. Beautiful, beautiful car. And this was your dad's car, huh?
It was my dad's since new.
Wow.
And there's still only 52,000 original miles.
Really?
And this is still all original. Never.
Oh.
And the interior is still all original.
That is something. Jeez. Dad was good to you and good to the car.
Yeah.
What a beautiful... I love Hudson.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, you don't see many of them around.
No. Yeah, go to Das Achfest. You'll see a few.
Yeah, okay.
So that's always lots of fun. Lots of fun. This is great. Thank you very, very much. What model Hudson is this, by the way?
49.
Yeah, that's the year. What model?
Commodore.
Commodore, okay. Very good.
Here's
Ah, there it is.
well,
No, that's Hudson.
yeah, it says Commodore somewhere.
Somewhere around.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. It really shows off in the sunlight, the two-tone on a 49. That's pretty good. No, it doesn't say Commodore. Huh.
Well, in here, I guess, in the...
Let's take a look, see. There she is. There it is. Oh, I love that shift knob. That's cool. What a gorgeous car. Absolutely beautiful.
I believe they sold them here in Carlisle. There was a Hudson dealer.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, my dad bought it here in Carlisle.
Well, Hudson was a major Well, it's not a GM, but it was a major mark.
Oh,
So
yeah.
it was something. It was something. And of course, NASCAR in the
Yeah,
50s.
they drove down, down Daytona.
Yeah.
And then they used to run them around here and some of the older.
Well, windshield wiper.
Yeah,
That's great.
They're vacuum the wipers.
And cable driven.
Yeah.
I love it. Oh my gosh. Oil bath, oil filter, air filter. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Fantastic. Thanks for coming out. Really appreciate it.
Okay.